From all of us at the Sunwise Auto Group, congratulations on your purchase or lease of your new vehicle. Because we care about you and your car, we want to tell you about a few products you might consider to enhance your ownership experience. Life's full of bumps in the road, literally. And when it comes to your tires and wheels, those bumps can be costly. One pothole, one nail, or even one unexpected curb check, and you could be looking at hundreds of dollars in repairs, or even a full replacement. But what if you didn't have to worry about that cost? That's where tire and wheel coverage comes in. You get coverage for repair or replacement of tires and wheels damaged by road hazards like potholes, nails, glass, and more. Coverage is nationwide and includes towing and roadside assistance. You drive with the peace of mind knowing that you're protected from the unexpected. Tires and wheels today are expensive, and with tire and wheel coverage, you're not just protecting your vehicle, you're protecting your peace of mind. Ask your finance specialist or client advisor about tire and wheel coverage today, because no one plans on hitting a pothole, but you can plan to be protected.